Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ideas by Som. And if you have not yet subscribed it, kindly subscribe so that you may get continuously good videos on educational topics and motivational videos. So now today's topic is an English grammar topic, which is very important, and many students they face difficulty in understanding. So let me tell you the topic of today. The topic of the today is transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive and intransitive verb. So, in order to understand transitive and intransitive verbs, first of all, we must know what is a verb. What is a verb? A verb is an action. Okay, any action is a verb, and then there is a subject. Subject is the doer of the action. Subject is the doer of the action. That means the action is done by the subject always. And then there is an object. In any sentence, any object, it may be there or it may not be there. Then we have to see the object. So what is the object? Is the receiver of the action. So these are three important things: verb, subject, and the object. So I hope you have understood. So now let us move to the topic. The transitive or intransitive verb. First of all, we'll see the transitive verb. So we have to understand that a transitive verb is a verb with a direct object. It's very simple if you understand it. A verb with a direct object. For example, the boy loved his mother. Now see, the boy is the subject here, loved is the verb here, and his mother, so is the object. In order to identify what is an object, we must ask two questions, that is, what or whom. So like in this sentence, the boy loved his mother. The boy loved whom? His mother. So mother is an object. Okay. The boy loved what? It may be that if the sentence was a little bit changed, the boy loved cake. So the boy loved what? Cake. The boy loved whom? His mother. So that means this sentence, this verb loved has an object. So therefore it qualifies as per the definition. It is a verb with a direct object. Let us take a few more examples. Let us take few more examples of this transitive verb. Ram threw a ball, or the baby broke the table, or she washed clothes. In each of these sentences, there is a subject, then there is a verb, threw, broke, or washed. But then the verb has a direct object also. Threw what? Ball. Broke what? Table. Washed what? Clothes. So therefore, these all sentences, in all these sentences, the verb is transitive. So now let us see what is an intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. So now if you have understood the meaning and definition of transitive verb, intransitive verb is very much easy, pretty much easy. So yes, intransitive verb, a verb without any direct object. A verb without any direct object. Like, for example, the snow fell yesterday. Now, if you ask what or whom, you will not get the reply because it is telling about the time. Okay, when. Another example we can take of intransitive verb, like she sang. So she sang is the verb, she is the subject, but there is no object. Another example, a light was shining. Again, there is no answer of what or whom. A light was shining, so by itself, shining is telling about the light in fact, and not the receiver is not there in this sentence. Therefore, the object is not there, and a verb without a direct object, a verb without a direct object is intransitive verb. So let me, in the last, let me make it very clear. Verb with a direct object is transitive verb, and a verb without a direct object is intransitive verb. So it's very simple. You can do a lot of practice on this topic. So the more examples you solve, the more the topic will become perfect. So hope you like the video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.